Hi parents, Miss Miller here. I wanted to take this opportunity to answer some of the questions that we've received about online learning next week. I know that you have so many questions, and I'm sorry if I won't be able to give you a definite answer to every single one of your questions, but as soon as I have information, I will get that out to you as quickly as possible. But there are several things that you asked that I can help you with. And I thought this was a quick way to get the answers out to everyone, because if one person asks, there's probably at least 10 more at home that have the same question. So here we go. Attendance. Next week we will not be taking attendance. There is not an expectation that your student will have to log in at a specific time. While teachers have invited kids to take part in Community Circle through Zoom, we understand that not every student is going to be able to log in at that exact time. So there is no attendance that will be taken next week. Please just don't worry about that. If and when we do get to the point where we have to take attendance, we'll communicate information to you at that time. Managing time. I understand how difficult it is right now. Some of you are both parents are home working, and you have the children home now that you're trying to help and support with online school. Some of you are still having to report to work, and your children are in the care of others during the day. I understand my husband is working from home too. So we want you to know that there is, again, as I said before, no expectation of kids logging on at a specific time. Everything that we are doing, we are going to record. And we will post those videos, and you'll receive information from your child's teacher as to where to access those videos so that you and your child can watch them at the time that is convenient for you and for your schedule. So don't worry about it if you can't join through those virtual community circles. And when we start doing online lessons, everything will be recorded for you. If you don't have enough devices in the house, I understand that as well. If you would like to, you can check out a device from us. KDISD sent out a form that you can fill out and submit online. Ms. Matovich and I will be at school tomorrow from 9 to 11 handing out devices. You must fill out the form before we give you the device. So if you haven't done that yet, please be sure to check your email. It is a KDISD communication that came out with the link to sign up for a device if you need one at home. Please do not hesitate to do that. If you do not have access to Wi-Fi, Xfinity is offering free Wi-Fi and hotspots for, I think, the next 3 months. So that is something that you can look at. We don't have hotspots that we can check out to students, but you can look at that free Xfinity Wi-Fi and hotspots at the Xfinity website. New learning. Several of you have asked about teachers posing lessons. This week, the district has set an expectation that we are reconnecting with our students, and we're getting into this new normal of online school. So we will not be posting new learning videos next week. Next week, we'll be having Community Circle. We will be holding office hours, but as we progress, we will be adding more new learning videos for our students. We will also start to do small groups with our students, book clubs, things of that nature. But every week you can expect a schedule as to what's going to happen that week, what objectives we're going to be covering, and what is going to happen and be available to you either live or via video. Again, I know that this is frustrating, and it's so hard to plan anything because oftentimes you're receiving information that goes into effect the next day. And we just appreciate your patience, but learning is important to us. Right now, we'll be accessing the district-provided resource through the Choice Board, which you can access from the KDISD website. You don't need to log in or anything to get that. And we will be adding new learning as the weeks progress. So be looking for more information and what to expect in the coming weeks. If you need to know your child's password, you can contact their teacher, and they'll be able to help you with information about iStation or Dreambox, or if you need their MyKatie Cloud password, just feel free to reach out to your child's teacher, and they can get that information for you. All right, that concludes our questions for today. Please continue to use the link so that we can help you with any information that we have. We're trying to anticipate what you might need to know, but there are always things that we do not think about. As I said before, we are in this journey together. This is something new to all of us, and we just appreciate your patience, and we appreciate the fact that you are partnering up with us, and we want to make this as smooth of a transition as possible. We know there are going to be bumps on the road, but we'll get through it together. As I said before, we can't wait to see your dragons tomorrow. We have really, really missed them. And please be looking for more information coming. Thank you.